Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart POCO M7 Plus. Alright, so we have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first, in the most common method, is a simple reboot using the power menu. This method is recommended when the phone is responsive, as you can see, when everything works properly. So to do it, we need to launch the power menu first. We do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time. So click both of the buttons. Now we need to drag this white ball into the reboot, and now we need to simply release our finger. Then our device will be turned off, and after 3 seconds it will be automatically turned on again and ready to use. But we have also the second method, which is called the forced restart, and it's recommended when our device isn't working properly, for example when it's lagged, or basically when it's unresponsive. And to do it, we need to simply hold the power button until the device is turned off. So hold the power button. Don't worry that you have launched Gemini, sometimes it happens. Alright, and when the phone vibrates and when the logo appears, we can release our finger. And now within a second, the device will be turned on automatically. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.